Today let us start with the construction of quadrilaterals. Till now we have done understanding the quadrilaterals. Now we will be learning how to construct quadrilaterals. We'll be discussing few types here. First of all, the first type, that is constructing a quadrilateral when lengths of 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given to us. So we'll start with the construction from exercise 14.1. This is question number 1. I'll take the same type and we'll be constructing here. Construction is construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 4 cm, BC is 6 cm, CD 5 cm, AD 5.5 cm and AC is 7 cm. In this case, 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. And now how we get to know that we have been given 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Let us roughly draw this quadrilateral here. If I say A, B, C, D, so AB, BC, CD and DA, these are 4 sides and AC is the diagonal. Now let us start the construction. My first step is I have to draw a line. I will start with AB. I will take scale and draw AB 4 cm. So I will draw AB as 4 cm here. This is AB. Okay. Now 4 cm. Point A and point B. Now next one is BC is 6 cm. I open my compass, take the scale and open BC is equals to 6 cm. Measuring this. Okay. So keep the needle at vertex B because BC is there and just draw one arc here. Okay, next one is if I'll draw CD, I don't know how to take BC. Okay, that distance is given, but from which point I need to take is not given. In this case, what I will do, if I see the roughly drawn figure there, I will draw AC first so that I can get the intersecting point C. That means here AC is given 7 cm. I'll open my compass 7 cm, keep the needle at vertex A and intersect this. Now I got the point C. This is nothing but point C. And now I will join it with the scale. That is, I will join BC and then AC because one diagonal is given to me. Okay. Now next, we are left with 2 more sides. CD. Now I know where C is there. So CD is 5 cm. I'll open my compass 5 cm. Keeping the needle at vertex C, I will draw one arc here. Okay. Now AD, I need one intersecting point for D point. AD is given 5.5. So using scale 5.5, keeping the needle at vertex A, I'll cut it out. And this is nothing but vertex D. Now with the help of pencil, I will be joining AD and CD. AD and CD. Okay, here BC was given to me 6 cm, CD 5 cm, AC 7 cm and then AD 5.5 cm. So this is the quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Okay, let us discuss one more type here. Second type is constructing a quadrilateral when its 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Okay, now this time instead of 4 sides we've been given 3 sides and instead of 1 diagonal 2 diagonals are given. This is question number 3 from exercise 14.1. Construct a quadrilateral BEST in which ES is 7.5 cm, DS is 6.5 cm, DT 6 cm, ST 5 cm and ET 10 cm. Okay, if I roughly draw this, let's say if I roughly draw a parallelogram DEST, let's see which sides are given to me. ES is given to me. This one is given. Then I've been given BS. That means diagonal is given. Okay. BT is given to me, then ST is also given to me, and ET. So these three sides, and let us do the construction here. I'll repeat again. In this, we've been given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay, I'll start with the construction side ES, which is 7.5 centimeter. So I will draw a line segment of 7.5 centimeter with the help of scale. This is 7.5 centimeter and I will name this as ES. Okay, I will name it ES. Now if I roughly saw this, I will take this way. ES is given. Okay, now next step, I've been given 2 diagonals. So what I will do here, diagonal ET, I will draw diagonal ET. I'll open my compass 10 centimeter. Okay, as 10 cannot be, I cannot open my compass equal to 10 centimeters. So what I will do, I'll open my compass first of all 7 centimeter and keep the needle at here and just mark one dot here. And next time, because 10 centimeter was there, now I will take 3 more centimeters here. Okay, and just draw an arc here. Okay, so this is point, but I cannot get point T, only arc is there. Now what else? I've been given ST because BEST, that means approximately if I'll think T point will be coming here. Now ST is 5 centimeter. I'll open my compass 5 centimeter here with the help of scale, keeping the needle of the compass at vertex S and just cutting out. Okay, here I cannot intersect. What I will do, I'll open my compass 3 centimeter once again, keep the needle here and just produce this arc so that this can intersect. Okay, so you got a point T here. This is point T. Next one, what we can do is, now I got point T. Let me join this so that we'll be able to complete the quadrilateral sidewise also. This will be a quadrilateral. This will be the diagonal here of quadrilateral BEST. Next step is BT. So what I will do, I'll open my compass with the help of scale and BT is given to me 6 centimeter. So I'll open my compass 6 centimeter here. Okay, keeping the needle at vertex T and just draw one arc here. Now another diagonal is given to me, that is ST. Okay, one more diagonal is given. So let's draw it. First of all, now ES we have drawn, BS, which is 6 centimeter. Again, I will open my compass 6 centimeter here, keeping the needle here at S and just cutting it out. Not intersecting, that means I need to extend this arc. Okay, BT was also 6 centimeters, so it will be like this. Okay, I have to change it. Let's measure it 6 centimeter. Keeping the needle here, draw just arc here. Okay, so here we got this point B. This point is B. Now what I will be doing, I will be joining BS. This is the diagonal. And now BT and BE, these are also the vertices of the quadrilateral we have drawn. This is 7.5. I'll write it again. ST is given to me 5 centimeter. ET is 10 centimeter. BS 6 centimeter. BT 6 centimeter. Okay, so now 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given and we have constructed a quadrilateral. Now let's discuss one more type here. Now in this type, we will be constructing a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles will be given to us. Okay, instead of diagonals, this time angles will be given. From exercise 14.1, question number 7. Construct a quadrilateral TRUE, where TR is 4 cm, RU is 5 cm, UE 4.5 cm, and angle R is given to be 60 degree and angle U is 90 degree. So we have to be careful here because we are doing construction. So we will be constructing 60 degree and 90 degree. So approximately angle, if we make out angle R and U, this is given to us. So roughly I will draw RU as base. Okay, so TRU is, it will be something like this. Approximately this type of the figure will be there. So let's do the construction here. First of all, RU is given to be 5 centimeter. With the help of scale, I will be just drawing one line segment RU, which is 5 centimeter here. Okay, this is R and this vertex is U and it is 5 centimeter. Now at vertex R, 60 degrees there. I'll open my compass in order to construct 60 degree. I'll open my compass, any radius. Just try to draw one arc here, keeping the needle of the compass here and cut it out. So this is what I got, 60 degree. I will produce this line, join these 2 points. When I produce, I will get an angle of 60 degree. Okay, next one is at vertex U, I need to construct angle of 90 degree. Same way, with any radius, first of all, I will just draw an arc here, keeping the needle here, this will be 60, and keeping the needle here, this will be 120. 90 will be constructed when arcs from 60 degree and 120 degree, they will be intersected at a point. Now this is the point of intersection, so I will join it. Okay, this will be 90 degree. Okay, now TRUE, so UE is given 4.5 centimeter. I will take the help of scale, open my compass, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, this much, keeping the needle at vertex and just cut it out. This is vertex E. This is angle 60 degree. This is 90 degree. This much is 4.5 centimeter. And yes, TR is given to be 4 centimeter. Open my compass, 4 centimeter. Keeping the needle at vertex R and cut this 60 degree angle because T will be lying here. So this point is T. Now, if I join T and E, this will become a quadrilateral in which 2 angles and 3 sides are given. TR is 4 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter and RU is 5 centimeter. Angle R is 60 degree and angle U is 90 degree. So based on this, students, kindly try question number 2, question number 4 and question number 5 from exercise 14.1. Thank you, beta.